D5. Operator contact at Molokai, Palu Airport, landing D5.
Aloha and welcome to the beautiful and secluded island of Molokai. We're at Kapuhi Beach over on the western shore of the island of Molokai. We just flew in. We are going to be doing a behind the scenes photo shoot tutorial on swimwear and how to take photos out on the beach. We're going to be using the Canon R5 today, and we'll also have a Nikon D5, but we're also going to be using the Westcott softbox with the Godox 8600 Pro, and we'll be doing a variety of different lenses today. Everything from the 85 1.2 to the 24 105L f4, and also the 15 to 35 2.8 on the Canon side. And then we'll be doing the 24 to 70 on the Nikon side 2.8. And we have our beautiful models today. We have Alohi and Sasha from the island of Maui, and we're getting ready, so let's get started. A softbox, rapid box here. We're going to have Alohi modeling. We're going to use natural light and reflector, and also the scrim. We're going to compare. Now, by using the softbox, we're going to reduce the exposure on the background with the shutter speed, and then we will adjust the light power to highlight Alohi. We just did olive oil, so it'll really shine in the shot. Let's get started.